Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. And if you are just visiting my channel for the very first time, my name is Ibrahim Blessing and I'm that data analyst passionate about growth. And in today's tutorial video, we'll be looking at the SQL Union Operator. So what is this operator used for? The SQL Union Operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Remember how we did append queries in Power Query, either in Microsoft Excel or in Power BI? That is the same thing we'll be doing here, where you stack two or more tables on top of each other. So in our case here, we'll be making use of the union operator. So we have two tables here that are already created. Don't worry, you can get the link to this material data set in the description. So I created two tables with the name North American customers as well as Europe customers. So we have these two tables. Then there's one thing you need to note about appending two tables or more together. Remember how that when we're trying to append queries in Power Query back then, we had to make sure that the columns have the same data type, they have the same column structure, that is the same number of columns. And if you're going to be selecting columns to merge with another tables, then they have to be of the same order. So we have these two tables. As you can see, I already run both of them, and you can see both results as the results pane here. So we have it, you can see we have for the North American customers, customer ID, exactly the same thing one for the Europe customers. We have the customer name, the same thing, email, the same thing, same with country. So we want to join both tables together to form a single table. How do I do this? And there's union and there's union all. For union, what union would do is it would append the table and stack them on top of each other. And if you have duplicates there, it removes the duplicate. Look at the column for customer ID in the Europe customer. You would see that we have duplicates. You can see we have 7 and 8 here, 7 and 8 here. Then I want to join both tables together. How do I do this? All I have to do is to just come here. In between, I'll just put the operator union. Remember I said when you use union, it would append the tables together but remove the duplicates. So let's see what we get. I'll run this now, F5, and you can see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you can't find the 7 and 8 that was in. 7 and 8 record appeared twice in the Europe customer. If I run this now, you can see that we have 7, 8, 7, 8. But combining all together using the union operator, those duplicates have been removed. So what if I don't want it to remove all duplicates? I still want to see my duplicates in that record or in the whole table that is forming. All I have to do is to use the union all. So what will union all do? It will append all tables together and would not remove duplicates from your data. So let's run this now and see. So F5, as you can see, we still have our duplicates in the table. So this is how you append two or more tables together using either the union or depending on which one you want to use or how you want to view your data. So I hope you've been able to pick one or two in this video. Meet again in this next video. As usual, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button if you are yet to hit the subscribe button. Bye.